Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to look at this cue card. Describe an important thing you learned, not at school or college. You should say, when did you learn it? How did you learn it? Why did you think it was important to learn? And how you felt when you learned it. So before we begin, we are going to look at some of the words that we will be using in this cue card. So first word is plethora. It means a large number of something. Next is exploit. It means unfair use of someone or something. In Punjabi, exploit means ਦੁਰਵਰਤੋਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਦੀ ਜਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੀ ਦੁਰਵਰਤੋਂ ਕਰਨ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ exploit ਕਰਨੇ ਆ. Next is voluntary service. Voluntary service means unpaid service. Next is grapevine, which means circulation of rumor, and rumor means gossip. In Punjabi, rumor means afwah, and grapevine means afwah da phailna. Next word is adept. Adept means expert. Next is frailty, which means weakness. Another word is vividly, which means clearly. So without wasting time, let's begin. There are a plethora of things which we learn from schools and colleges, but I believe life is the best teacher as it teaches us valuable lessons that we do not always come across in schools and colleges. Here I would like to talk about a thing which I learned from my own experiences. I learned that we should never give any services for free since it is a frailty of human nature that they do not value free things. When I was in school, we were taught to provide free things to people as we get satisfaction by doing voluntary services. I vividly remember that we were given a project to teach poor students for free in summer vacations when I was in 10th standard. At that time, I taught 8 students for free and felt good. However, when I entered into job market, then my approach towards this concept of providing things for free was changed. After completing Bachelor of Commerce, I started working in a chartered accountant firm, and side by side I started giving accounting tuitions in evenings. I used to teach some students without charging any fees. Soon I started noticing that students whom I was teaching for free were not serious in their studies and they were not making extra efforts to improve their scores. Apart from this, their absence was also high. Besides this, I heard a rumor through the grapevine that I am not adept in teaching accounting. That is why I was providing free tuitions to some students. I felt very sad and bad when I realized that it is crucial to charge for your work. This lesson must be taught to every child so that they can make others understand their value. Otherwise, people will either exploit you or do not value you. Hence, this is an important lesson which I learned apart from school and college. So that's it for this session. If you find this video useful, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.